Hi, I'm Mike Simmons from A World of Wings. I've been a professional bird trainer for the last 12 years. I'm today here talking about the Liberta parrot cage range. Hi, I'm Mike Simmons and this is Ellie. Can you say hello? Good girl. This is also the Cortes by Liberta. It's a well-designed cage for a medium-sized parrot and offers many features such as this cage top stand that pulls out from the roof space. This stand offers freedom from the cage and much needed daily exercise for your pet parrot. And of course, this cage top stand can be closed as well as open. Going down from the stand, on the sides of the cage is 3 bowls on swing feeders, making it easy to change food and water, and these bowls are held in place for added security with this locking nut. To the front of the cage we have a nice sized door allowing access to the cage and allowing access to the outside space for your parrot. This door is locked in place by a convenient and easy to use clasp. Going down from the door we have a seed catcher helping to eliminate mess to the surrounding areas that the cage is placed in, and underneath the seed catcher we have a pull-out tray. This pull-out tray is easy to clean and prevents the bird from spending time in the messy area, which is the tray positioned underneath. So all in all, this is a good cage for a household. It's nice to look at. It's got a very contemporary design to the front here, and it's designed for a medium-sized parrot. Ellie, can you say bye?
Bye.
Good girl.